Insecticidal gang, what's up? We're outside. It's springtime here in North Carolina. And look at the Bog Garden. A couple days ago, I went through and did the big chop. Cut back all of last year's foliage. So now we have flower buds and new pictures coming up. But enough about that. Let's go take a look at some plants. Come walk with me. Let me show you why I'm so excited. So this thing right here is a leucophylla that just got absolutely enormous over the past year. This plant was in a 4-inch pot when I got it last spring. There's a rubra. It's got a handful of flowers coming up, as you can see. Right behind it is a flava with the big flowers coming up. Got that one from the Flava King. That's a Flava Rugelii from Georgia that I got from Rob Cole. And then here are a couple plants that were just really small when I got them. Now they're huge. You see the fly traps. They're on the way back. Here's that perp that was covered up by sundews. Got this thing in full sun now. Remember, this bog gets 12 hours of full sun during this time of year, spring and summer. Dana's Delight has a flower coming up. Hurricane Creek White Clone F has a flower coming. That's a flava. That's one of the first plants I ever bought. That's Reptilian Rose. This is a tiny seedling that I just put in there the other day to kind of fill in this spot over here since I took all the sundews out. But man, look at this joker right here. Wilkerson's Red Rocket. Y'all remember when we put that in there? That's a Reedii anthocyanin free, so it has no red pigment. Doreen's Colossus. That's an Alata. Negro Purpurea. And then that is Flava Supermax. That was a star of the show last year. Leah Wilkerson is sending up a picture and a flower. This flava right here was buried in sundews last year. So we should get some good growth out of it this year. And so was this Alata here. I mean, this thing barely hung on. I'm surprised it's still alive. Adrian Slack back here didn't really do much for us last year, but it's the redemption year for a lot of these. Man, I just love this Leuco though, man. This thing got absolutely enormous. I plan on letting it just take over this full corner right there. But man, I can't wait for future progress videos on this Bog Garden. Year 2, this is the year. Everything's had time to settle in. Now it's time to see everything flourish and thrive. We're gonna redefine the word thrive this year. I appreciate y'all checking it out, and we'll see you guys soon.